wanted to share with you in this video is how you can create a long list of dates very quickly. Now, obviously with dates, you can just grab a date and drag it and it's going to increment it. But let's say we wanted to do, let's say 5 years worth. So obviously we've got to drag down quite a fair way. So let's see how we can do that quite easily. So click on the cell that you want to start with. So that's got a date in it. I better start the clock and then we'll do it. Okay, so you click on the date cell that you want to start with, click the drop down for fill on the home ribbon and then select series. You want a column of dates. It's a date here and it's a day there, so that's all good. You're stepping by one, and then we want to stop at the 31st of the 12th, let's say 25, so we got 5 years worth, and just click OK. And there we have it. So if we go down to the bottom, you can see we go all the way down to the bottom for the 31st of the 12th, 2025. By the way, if you didn't know, if you want to copy a formula, so this formula is figuring out the financial year, if you want to copy a formula all the way down, you can just double click the fill handle. So there's a bonus tip on copying all the way down. So you can see that goes all the way down the list. As long as there's no blanks in this left-hand column, that's what slows that tip down. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.